Then we're gonna need to have at least 3 views. We're gonna need to have a ventrodorsal view and then both lateral views, just like we do for dogs and cats. It is very important to pay attention to positioning, because if the patient is not positioned correctly, you're not gonna be able to evaluate the x-rays. So those positions, the VD and the laterals, are best achieved under heavy sedation or general anesthesia. So let's go step by step. For the lateral view, first you're gonna place the patient in the lateral commence you want, either right or left. Then you're gonna move their body caudally, gently extending the neck, holding in place with a tape. So that's gonna be the first tape we place. Now we're gonna carefully extend the pelvic limbs, slightly caudally, and secure them with gauze and tape. The gauze is gonna go in between the legs to prevent any damage to the legs or to the bones, and we're gonna tape them in a way they're gonna be superimposed, in a way that on the x-ray you're only gonna see one leg. One is gonna be superimposed to the other, and you want to extend it as max as you can. Now once you tape the head by the neck and you tape the pelvic limbs, and often I will tape the pelvic limbs individually.